Hello students, good afternoon. Before starting the class, I will tell you the thought of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The thought is, इंतज़ार करने वालों को सिर्फ उतना ही मिलता है जितना की कोशिश करने वाले छोड़ देते हैं. So please try, don't cry, always try. So today we have come with another part of direct and indirect speech. This is interrogative sentences, means indirect speech of interrogative sentences. Listen, we know very well there are two types of interrogative sentences. First one is yes no type and second one is WH type. What is yes no type interrogative sentence? A sentence that starts with helping verb is known as yes no type interrogative sentence, or that can be replied in yes or no. For example, will you eat food? Then you can give reply in yes or no, and this sentence is also starting with helping verb. Second one is WH type, means a sentence that starts with WH word, means WH family, where, why, when, how are known as yes WH type interrogative sentences. For example, what are you doing? Why are you making a noise? How are you? These all sentences are WH type interrogative sentences. So we will discuss one by one. First one is yes no type interrogative sentence. Then what will be what will be indirect speech of yes no type? Remember, if in reported speech yes no type has given, then while changing in indirect speech, reporting verb means said to, says or says to will change into ask, and comma inverted comma change into if or whether. Reported speech will change into statement. What is the meaning of statement? Statement means subject, helping verb, object and other word. For example, she said to me, comma inverted comma, can I use your pen? So we can reply in yes or no. Reported speech is in yes no type interrogative sentence. Then what will be indirect speech? She said to change into ask me, comma inverted comma if. Now reported speech will change into statement. What is statement? Subject. What is subject in this sentence? I is subject, means first person will change according to subject. What is subject? She. Then we have written here she. Then helping verb can change into could. Then use verb. Then object is your pen. So your pen, your second person according to your object is me. Then according to me we will use here my, then pen. Then what is indirect speech of this sentence? She asked me if she could use my pen. So we are following only rule. Second one is WH type. What is WH type? Means there is a little bit difference between yes no type and WH type. What is the difference? In place of comma inverted comma, we will use only WH word in place of if or whether. Remember what I am telling? In place of comma inverted comma, we will use only WH word. WH word means where, why, when, etc. You can see here, if report means reported speech WH type, then reporting verb will change into ask, and comma inverted comma will change into WH word, and reported speech will change into statement. We know very well what is statement. Okay, example, he said to me, comma inverted comma, what are you doing? You can see this sentence starting with WH word means what? It means that what will be indirect speech? He asked, said to change into ask, me, comma inverted comma change into what? I have already written here, comma inverted comma will change into WH word. This is the difference between yes no type and WH type. So we have written here what? Then subject. Subject is you. Second person according to object. What is the subjective case of me? I. That's why we have written here I. I have already told you These rules changing in pronouns I have already explained. So we will write here I. Then is, am, are. Present continuous change into past continuous. With I we use was. Then verb is doing. Object is not given. So sentence has been completed. So what is the rule? What is the sentence? What is the indirect speech? He asked me what I was doing. So these are the rules for yes no type and WH type. I am telling you again. Remember, in yes no type, reporting verb will change into ask, and comma and inverted comma will change into a for whether, and reported speech will change into statement. In yes no type, in WH type only in place of comma and inverted comma will change into WH word, and all these rules will be as usual. So students, we have completed this part, means how we will change in how we will convert interrogative sentences into indirect speech. So my dear students, we will meet tomorrow with another topic. I hope you all will like this video and please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.